Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a thumbnail for your YouTube on Canva. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Canva here. So I'm going to write the Canva. After writing the Canva, you have to go to the Canva and create account. So as you can see, I have already created account. So after creating account, what you have to do, you have to search for the thumbnail here. As you can see, I have it in the thumbnail. So you have to write the thumbnail, or you can also write the YouTube thumbnail as well. So we are going to write the YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to click here, and now I'm going to write the YouTube thumbnail and press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, you are going to see a lot of thumbnails related to online earning, related to vlogging. You will get a lot of thumbnails related to different categories, so you just have to choose the thumbnail. So I'm going to choose this one, or we can choose this one. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to click on the customize this template. After clicking on this, you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's loaded. What you have to do, if you want to edit the text, you have to click on this. You can edit the text as well. For example, I'm going to write here adventure. So I'm going to write the adventure. So as you can see, I have written this, and now I'm going to click here. As you can see, now it's done. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. If you want to change the picture, you can do that as well. You have to go to the upload section. You have to upload your own image which you want to use. For example, I'm going to replace image with this. So it's done, and now this is here. If you want to download this, you can also do that. You have to click on the share. After clicking on the share, you have to scroll this. You have to click on the download, and now you have to click on the download. It will be downloaded. If you want to see the basic properties of the text, these all are the basic text properties. You can change the color of the shape as well from here. As you can see, all colors are provided here. And now you can click on the share, scroll it, download, and you have to click on this download button, and the thumbnail will be automatically downloaded. So in this way, you can design a thumbnail on Canva. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.